You coming? Come on, just a bit of rain, it won't kill you. Come on, let's go for a walk. That's not gonna happen. Well, it is raining, I can't blame her. It's a Thursday and it's kind of shitty outside, but she just will not get out of the car when it's raining, which means, you know, it's a bit of a nightmare. Speaking of nightmares, my name is Mike. My friends call me Mudguts, and I sell things online. And I'm trying to think of something to say today. Okay, so I have 20 minutes, $20, 20% off. Let's go see if we can find something. $1.99 here, or $1 at the dollar store. What is this thing? Oh, now we're talking. Radio Shack floppy disk. Got the handy one for $19. And this one is $1.99 for Radio Shack. Another one, $14. Oh, and a color computer too, the best computer ever. Alright, let's try it. It's also something called milk glass. You ever hear of milk glass? And I do need a pair of shorts for myself. Who the hell's gonna wear these? Listen to the radio. Thanks very much. See you soon. Well, my $20 challenge turned into a $2 challenge. And I bought some shorts myself just because I needed some for the dog park. Because dogs, you know, they jump on you, they wreck your clothes. So when I go to the dog park, I wear dog park shorts. All right, $2. Let's see what this thing is worth. And I need to get a coffee. Okay, so I didn't have to use a coupon.
so I'll save that for another purchase. They had that Philco radio there,
from your job? Nope.
which was $49. It was actually, it had the turntable portion, it was missing the radio, and it obviously had the frame. Now, the turntable portion might have been able to sell for 50 or 60 if you took it all apart. The frame itself, like if it was complete, the problem with radios is, if it was complete and actually redone, like the wood, it still might only be worth $100. Now, when you part them out like that, who knows if the turntable portion works? So it might have only got 20 bucks, but it might have got 50 bucks, who knows? And I say that because my dad used to restore radios. And he usually did pretty good on them. Like, I mean, he'd buy them at auction sales and yard sales and barn finds for, you know, 10 bucks. And Bakelite radios tend to do the best. Those ones in the 50s and 60s made from that hard plastic. He always did pretty well with those. I think I actually have a few of them kicking around my house or with my mom still, but I'll have to check. Anyway, I'm gonna grab a coffee. I'm gonna go list this Radio Shack thing that we paid. Oh, jeez. Missed that. It looks like the Mercedes ran though. Oh, are you guys gonna argue now? I don't have time for arguing. Maybe the dash cam caught it, who knows. Anyway, $1.99. Let's see what happens. Could use a bit of a cleaning. It's not perfect. Pretty sure this is for floppies. It's definitely not CDs. That should be for 5 1/4 inch floppies. Let's go.
If you're watching right now, Mike, come on, man.